This error appears when the Microsoft Store cannot access the services it depends on to download, update, or install apps. Essentially, one of the Windows Update or store-related background services is not running or has failed. Here are the solutions for this error. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter.